Previously on WeWanderlustCo, we spent a full day exploring Putrajaya, the administrative capital of Malaysia. The highlight of our day was visiting the beautiful Putra Mosque, and I'll say it again, it's truly a sight to behold. Now, we couldn't come to Putrajaya and not circle the world's largest roundabout, all before making our way to Port Dickson, or as the locals call it, PD. PD is apparently known as a popular holiday retreat for locals, but we soon found out that it's a pretty laid-back coastal town that was a perfect stopover before heading down south. Good morning from Port Dickson.
Yeah, good morning. We actually spent a lot of time at Putra Mosque and Putrajaya yesterday, so we kind of came in a little late last night. It was a nice drive over, but today it's a nice sunny day in Port Dickson, and what it's known for is its waterfront, and we've seen some bikes, so we might go for a bike ride.
I'm excited.
Let's go. We're right by the PD waterfront side. There's so many different restaurants nearby, cafes. There's a 7-Eleven nearby, so if you guys ever need to reload your DG cell phone plan, you just go to a 7-Eleven, just ask for a prepaid reload.
The reason why we know is because we did that today.
Yeah.
So it's beautiful. We're not seeing a lot of people. It's not that popular of a place. It's really popular among locals actually, and people always come here. This is the main attraction, the waterfront, and it's just looking gorgeous. It's a beautiful sunny day.
Yeah.
And there is a little island that's right across from here. I'm not sure what it's called, but that's looking so nice.
Color of the water, really nice. Pretty calm. Just the ambience of the place too is really calm, laid back. We did decide to spend one day here, so from last night into tonight we're gonna head over to Malacca later on. But I would say if you guys are gonna travel through, definitely drop over.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Super nice, very relaxing. Just the soft crashing of the waves on the rocks. It's really nice.
Yeah.
I've seen a few people. I've seen actually one guy fishing. Remember? Yeah, he was fishing. And then a few people just kind of come here and taking the scenery. It's like quiet time. You really feel that.
Yeah.
As you can see, a few ladies have joined us to take in the incredible views of the waterfront here. Really like a really nice midday break, and we also saw like a few local workers getting their lunch and eating it here by the ocean. I mean, this is such a dream, like having your work break in front of the ocean.
Does not feel cursy at all.
No, very local. This one we highly recommend. Just like a day trip even. Very relaxing if you want to have a nice relaxing day trip.
They open at 6 p.m.
No way! What about during the day?
Don't know.
Oh my goodness. Well, that sucks.
Yeah.
We really wanted to do this, guys.
How do you
We really wanted to do this. As you can see, Waseem is fully bummed out.
I'm bummed out. I throw in the towel.
We were really trying to do this today because it's a beautiful
it would have been amazing,
and,
just cycling the waterfront.
Yeah, and how cute do these little bikes look? We've seen a whole bunch of families be on them, and we're like, we're gonna try this one day, and here we are, and they don't even open till 6 p.m. No.
If you guys do want to experience something similar, We did see a lot of them at the Putrajaya Lake.
Yes,
So
yes, we did.
That's
Another option
yeah.
if you're in Putrajaya.
You
Yeah.
want to look into that because you can actually cycle the entire lake. We only spent a few days there, so we could not. So we saw this opportunity with a nice ocean view and all that. But I guess
We're just gonna be walking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll just plan for something later. If you guys do come in, just come in during the evening.
Yeah, because they do say that sunsets are really nice here as well. Actually, that's one of the reasons why I wanted to make it here for sunset, but we spent so much time over there that we missed the sunset here. But yeah, possibly that's one of the better times to come because you get to, pick out a nice ride and go around the waterfront and watch the sun go down.
But at least you got a chance to sit on it.
Yeah, I'm just sitting here relaxing, just thinking of what could have been, but... And look, it's super cute, like the tarp that's over it. What do you call the tassels? It's so pretty. It would have been like so cute just riding down the waterfront. Maybe next time. It's very lively during the weekends, evenings, and especially during the weekends because they also have food trucks and like outside, like an outside market. Yeah, so it's definitely livelier during the evening, but you can't beat the views during the day. Like it's teal blue water and the sea breeze and like the saltiness of the water just setting on your skin.
Yeah.
Cheeto?
You're gonna get a Cheeto.
Cheeto! Why don't you come get it from my hand?
No, it's in here, dude.
Oh, I got scared and went away. Oh, smarty pants!
What?
You were right. No, he kind of like distracted me and went like that way. But then as soon as I turned around to see where he was, he came back around, got it, picked it up, and flew away. Wow.
Yeah, because I've been saying to the crows, I've been turning to the crows, I've been like, you get a Cheeto, you get a Cheeto.
Yes.
Finally, we
One got a Cheeto.
we stick to our words. We gave them our Cheetos. Cheeto. So a short drive from where we were, headed down south. We found this nice beach spot. Parking is free, no entrance fee for the beaches or anything like that. We can just come in. I feel like the tide's low today.
Yeah, super
I'm
low.
pretty sure it comes up all the way down here, but it's pretty. It's super low today, but
it's the fact that it's super low. It's great for like families and kids, and you can wade like all the way out.
Yeah,
and then come back.
Yeah, it's a nice little spot. You could, if you have umbrellas, you could just bring them out, chill out, just like the
how dreamy.
that
it's
one
so
couple.
nice.
Yeah, nice spacious beach, nice wide beach,
and not overcrowded.
Yeah.
At all. If anything, we just see locals.
Yeah. I would say though, wherever you go, basically everywhere in this world, you're gonna find plastic. So, unfortunately, we got some plastic bottles on the beach as well.
Yeah, about 3.
Yeah. But that's a thing that's,
we all have to work together on it collectively.
Yeah.
And every individual is responsible.
Yes. But yeah, nice scenic spot. We actually could see where we were actually hanging out. It's right next to the island. That's where you're going to find the Port Dickson sign, waterfront sign. And yeah, just a short drive down. I would say, 5 minutes onto the next spot.
Let's go.
All right.
Trying to do our part just a little bit wherever we go.
Every chance that you get.
Now if we all could just be a little bit more responsible, that'd be great. We just passed a beautiful Buddhist temple. It's called the Wan Lung Temple. So if you guys are headed down south towards Malacca, you're gonna see this temple on the roadside, and it has like this strikingly sharp arches, and then it's like really noticeable from the road.
Bright yellow, orange,
and red.
and
yeah, it's beautiful. We didn't stop over, but it's if you have some time, you could go in. It just looked really beautiful from the outside. But yeah, it's on our way over to our next spot.
So we stopped over at the Port Dickson beach, and from the beach, is one of the most stunning views is the Lexis Hibiscus Resort.
These are some beautiful overwater villas, and I was just telling Waseem, like, this is such a cost-effective way for honeymooners to kind of experience, or families, or solo travelers, whoever you are, to kind of experience an overwater villa without going to the Maldives.
Yeah.
So if you want like a more affordable option, I saw that the room rates were like $150 a night. I'm not sure if it's for all the rooms or villas or just you know, for particular ones. But this is
it's not bad. Maldives prices could be way more extravagant, but I would say this is a good way to experience overwater villa.
Yeah, it's so nice, and we practically have the beach to ourselves. We navigated to Port Dickson Beach, and it is so serene. It's practically just the two of us with another couple and like one man kind of net fishing. It's just so scenic, and I guess it's for us, we prefer this beach better than the other one.
The other one, it's just more secluded. And remember we were talking about waiting? Well, we got a chance to wait because the tide's way closer. So.
It's going to be so nice.
The sand feels so nice.
It's super soft. It's like powdery. Powdery soft. The Port Dickson Beach was so serene.
Yeah.
We had such a lovely time. I collected some shells. They're so pretty. And we found out that there was a lighthouse also not too far from the beach. So we'd highly recommend that too. But since we're driving down to Malacca, we skipped that. But there is like a hike up to the lighthouse, and apparently it's still well maintained. It has like a library in it. You can walk all the way up. But yeah, if you guys are in the area, that's one of the most beautiful lighthouses I've ever seen, because it's perched on top of the cliff that way. Yeah, it has a nice overlook of the ocean. And it just looks so.
It's like tucked away to a point where, but then just that reveal of the ocean, vast ocean.
Right. It's like an eco forest, so you have to hike up to get to it.
We saw some monkeys on our way. Decided to pull over. We had found monkeys on the side of the road in Port Dickson. We did not have any food for them then. We had gone later with food, none to be seen.
Yeah, I think they're on a lunch break.
Yeah, possibly. Even though we brought them lunch. I think they probably had better lunch. Yeah, so we stopped over. We had some Cheetos. And boy, did the monkeys love it.
Yeah, they're munching on the Cheetos like forever. We spent 25 minutes.
25 minutes, yeah.
Parked on the side of the road. Oh, they're already eating something. Hello. Here.
He's eating KFC. He's got a KFC bucket.
Oh, yeah, you would know.
He's eating mashed potatoes from KFC. Got his KFC. That is hilarious. That mashed potato is good though.
We're all eating Cheetos now.
I don't know, giving him Cheetos made me hungry, so.
I mean, it's just really exciting to see.
Yeah, monkeys up close.
Yeah, that up close.
And the fact that, seeing monkeys up close in the wild. We are not for zoos, not for captivity, so just to appreciate nature in the wild, kind of watching birds in the wild. So it was fun.
Yeah. It's beautiful, like when you see them free in their own element, it just makes you feel like, okay, they're as free as I feel that I am, right? So they deserve that too. So yeah, it's so nice. Like one of them was having a KFC, maybe like a, what's that, the potato?
Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes. You would know.
So into his mashed potatoes. Oh my goodness.
But yeah, they're the super cutest. But then as we're making our way down here to Malacca, we're seeing like I don't know, like a lot of kampungs, like, and we're seeing all these wooden style houses and lots of like palm trees. I mean, we are near the ocean, but it's just the island vibe is here, but then also like the cultural heritage that they've kind of preserved. We're seeing that along the way, like all the vibrant colors, like you were saying, right?
Some of the structures, we've seen a couple of mosques along the way. All these kampung, a whole lot of food stalls.
Yeah, with lots of fruits.
Lots of fruits. Like literally, you could smell them. You could smell them from so far away.
Super excited about that.
Yeah. A whole lot of durian.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's so many vendors. So if you wanted to try a Malaysian durian, all you gotta do is make a road trip. You're gonna find a whole lot of them. So, and the fact that we actually took this route that takes you right next to the water, so just the air is fresh and
very scenic route.
A scenic route, yeah. It's kind of like Highway 1 in California. So pretty nice. So many stops, so many places to pull over, have lunch, dinner, and snacks. So
yeah.
It makes for a good road trip.
Yeah, the road trip so far has been incredible.
Yeah.
Like we've seen so many things, stop over wherever we'd like. It's just a wonderful experience, and you're having lots of fun.
Yeah.
Next on WeWanderlustCo. And a cute little donut to try. Let's see how it tastes. I got it.
Now you're getting the sweetness.
Oh my god.
I was their first bite. It's freaking awesome.
Freaking awesome.
It's freaking awesome.